Kelsey. I wanted to show you real quick how to set up a cover page for your Squarespace site, like the coming soon page, and also how you would connect your new URL or domain to your Squarespace account. So you would connect the domain first under the Settings tab, and then under Domains, use a domain that I own. Okay, and then you would enter the URL that you've purchased through whatever provider, and then click continue, and it'll walk you through the steps to connect your Squarespace hosting account and content management system, which is what this platform is. It'll connect it to your domain, which is the URL that your website is going to live at. So it'll connect those two. It has kind of a wizard that it'll walk you through. And then when people type in the URL, it will go to this Squarespace site. And if you're still working on the pages and don't want them to see like the draft version of your site, I'm going back to the home page. You can click on Pages, and your interface might look a little bit different. I think you're probably on the newest version of Squarespace, 7.1, and my site was built a few years ago, so I'm just on an older version. But if you create a new page and scroll down, there should be a cover page option. I'm just going to click through. There's several different layouts that you can choose from, depending on how much or how little you want to put on there. This is fine because we'll just keep it simple for this example. You could upload your own image. They also have a search tool that's connected to Unsplash, which is a free stock photography site, and you can search by keywords and try to find a particular type of picture, or just something pretty. Or you can set the background to solid color if you wanted to do that as well. And then you can obviously click around, make edits to all the text and the buttons here. I'm going to go back one level. You could upload your logo so that it displays here at the top. You can use the styles to adjust the fonts and the colors of your text here and the button style. Maybe the button links to your email address or your LinkedIn account or something like that. Whatever social accounts you have integrated with Squarespace, you can include those icons here and style them using the links over here on the left. And basically, once you have this looking the way you want, you would go back to your page list and click the little gear by the cover page. I'm on the General tab, and yours might look a little different. But if you scroll down, you would set it as the home page. And then while you continue to work on your real site in the background, if anybody happens to go to your URL, it'll be connected and they will see your beautiful coming soon page instead of your in progress pages. And then when you're ready to officially launch the site, you would just go in and delete your cover page and set the new home page as the current home page. And that would then show the navigation and all of the links for your site that you're ready to make public. So hopefully that makes sense. The cover page is kind of a cool feature to have something nice and professional up that's attached to your URL while you're working on the content and the behind the scenes stuff as you get ready to launch. So anyway, let me know if you have questions. Hopefully that helps. Thanks.